Regular salutation pugay. Formal salutation pugay. Regular salutation. Slide your left foot to the right foot. And at the same time, put your right hand to the left chest. Bow your head slowly and bring it up. Then finally, slide your foot back to the left back, then return to natural position. Formal salutation. From natural stance, bring your left foot close to your right foot, and bring your left hand to the right hand. Your right hand to your forehead and then bow your head. Stand up. Bring your left foot to the right. Move left foot to the left to return the normal stance.
Inside block. Outside block. Downward inside block. Downward outside block. Raising block. Vertical block.
Side cross disarming techniques. Una, dapat meron tayong 1 grip distance para ito sa pag-disarm sa kalaban natin. So, yung attacker natin, i-attack niya ako dito sa shoulder. So, i-disarm yun. X disarming techniques. So, from this position, ganun pa rin ang pag-block natin sa attacker. After nito, i-X lang natin ang harness natin at ipapasok natin sa ilalim. And then, scissor block disarming techniques. So from this position, hinawakan ko ang harness ng attacker and then na-block ko and hinawakan niya yung kamay ko. So gagawin natin, i-move natin yung harness sa kamay niya. And then dito natin na-apply ang scissor block. So effortin natin ito na parang gunting lang o scissor and then disarm. Next circle, disarming techniques. So sa first strike, ang attacker natin kailangan nandyan yung one side. So first strike, iwas. So ibaback hand strike natin yung ibablock. So doon natin ibablock ang harness niya. So from this position, kunin natin dito yung harness and then circle and then move forward and then strike. Overhead strike, disarming techniques. So from this position, overhead. So ito yung ibablock. So kailangan yung right hand natin, ipapasok natin sa harness niya. And then baba, and then pull, and then strike.